Hello everybody, I'm going to show you some of my engines in N scale, and all of them are from Bachmann. This is my Acela 650. It's pretty fast. It's actually fallen off the tracks a couple times on the tunes. I have two of these. These are my GP50s. They're both numbered 3500. Well, that's because they're the same types. And they're pretty cool. I sent one into Bachmann because it was broken. And then I got the Baltimore and Ohio American, the 440. Pretty cool train, pretty small train. Can only pull like 5 cars. Now we got the 280 AT&SF, number 2514. This one my brother sat on, but then I sent it into Bachmann too. It cost like $20 to get it fixed. Okay, and then here's the cool car of a 484. And here's the engine of the 484. The 484 is pretty good because it has most of the detail. And the person in the background, the person in the back, it was my idea, so. And then I have the Kolka. Kolka actually has a whole lot of wheels. It has 18 wheels to be exact. And I have the Santa Fe 405 engine, and that's it.